Edo Governor Obaseki don commend the contractors for the completion of both primary and secondary drains wey dey Adolor, Uwelu and power line houses for Ego local government area of the state, and for the quality work wey dem do for the flood control measures for the area. The governor yarned this one for im talk with Tori people for Benin City after im go do check for the construction work wey dey go on for the areas on Monday, August 5, 2024, and come yarn say belle sweet and wella with the quality of flood control measures for the areas. The governor come talk say dem don complete the primary and secondary drains for the areas. Erosion water go dey channel enter the master drain for Ogba River, and say after dem complete the drains, the next phase of the work na to rebuild Uwelu Road from Siloko Road through Uwelu Market and power line go reach Adolor. Oga Governor come also yarn say now wey the drain work don complete, im come to see wetin the contractors dey do concerning building the roads, as that na part of their effort to revamp internal roads and get traffic moving around the city.
We came to check the work that's been done on the Adolor power line Uwelu axis. As you can see, this is a very highly populated part of the city, and the contractors have done a fantastic job in terms of the drainage. Because of this catchment, without drainage, you cannot build roads that will last. So most of the drainage has now been completed. As you see, these are secondary drains, draining water into the main master drain and taking water to Ogba River. Now that the drainage work has been completed, I've come to see what the contractor is doing about now rebuilding the roads. So this is the Uwelu Road, which is going to be rebuilt from Siloko back through to Uwelu Market to now connect power line and the work that's been done along Adolor. This is all part of our efforts to make sure that we make our internal roads motorable and get traffic moving around the city. We're trying to have what we call internal bypasses to take traffic from the traffic coming in from the Lagos axis and Benin, the Ogbowo axis, to throw that traffic into Siloko and then onto Ekema Road. So that's going to be like the western bypass, the kind of a mini bypass to just get traffic to move around the city.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.